inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be showing y'all what's in my cosmetology kit. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Roller sets, different combs, brushes, hair clips, perm rods. You got different sizes. You got the small ones. These will make your curls tighter. You got the medium size ones. You got the big perm rods to make your curls looser. This is a timer. 24K flat iron and curling iron. Then you got the blow dryer, the one with the comb, and the one that you can use with the brush. This is the mannequin stand. Here's the mannequin right here. And this is the part that goes on the table. You get 4 mannequin heads. To bleach and color hair. $20 developer. Lightener. You get color. So this one is 5.5 M mahogany. This one is 4.8 CH medium chocolate brown. You get a brush set for bleaching and coloring hair. Shampoo apron. I guess that's what it's called. They give me, you get 3 of them. Hair clips, hair clippers, I don't know what these are just yet. You get a bottle, a measuring bottle. a mirror, butterfly clamps, you get plastic caps, these are the caps with holes in it, and I guess you use this to bleach hair. 2 spray bottles, this is for your foot. Two nails, and you get some nails in here. You get brushes, other stuff.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, 'cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my